Big up Crosses TV.
I be a crosses you have over your master.
These they have all kind of different name for every month.
Yeah.
July is the month of Cancer.
Yeah.
And it's the crab. And it's the only month that has a number that symbolizes with it 69 as another escape route. That's why we have September, the 9th month with 9 letters, and everywhere in the universe, the knowledge has to start on the 9th month. That's the new year of knowledge, you know. So
the 9th month, which is September, we have 9 letters, and it's the 9th month of the year. And it alone can spell Beth as well.
And it's the only time on the planet, all university, school, anything to do with knowledge has to begin in that September. Period in September.
Well, I'm marking right there.
Yeah.
Because I'm back to school by September.
But July is the only month that has the number 69. Everyone thinks it's to do with sex.
But which part you find the 69 July?
The
different name of them gates.
Gates.
But I would like to see that. Google it, Mash. It's interesting. I'm not saying it's lie, Mash.
I know that news. I know that.
Lucifer had a birthday just like a couple hours ago. So I'm not bashing you, Mash. I just want to make fucking sure, fam.
Walking up on my birthday.
So may I repeat myself? May I repeat myself with facts? Because I like...
Yeah, I like
real
facts.
Real talk, you know, say a fuck. Hey, boy, I want to break off your cock. Make sure you can't angle my back. I'm not confusing. I'm very intelligent. I just want to work out to him. I say everything when say makes sense. No matter how drunk him is. Some things I must know I don't have a clue. I'm not true. March, July 69. Oh, where crown? Take a crown off my bed. Oh, July.
You know what?
Hey, me don't want to drop on the crown and the crown cut the arm limit. It's strong, you know. It's very heavy. July 69. Find it, Marsh.
I don't have to find it. Go on.
Oh, you mean by you don't have me for Google it?
You got Google
it. Myself alone.
What the hell are you going to Google it when you get all these people watching you? Why the hell am I going to do that work when they can go and find that and send it on to you when I know the information and I have it?
Me no.
Ain't my job. And ain't your job. It's their job.
Okay, Marsh.
Yeah. Cancer is the only man that has so much name. That's when people talk to me and say, Jay, move and your lady, just come out.
But look, no, but look, I just see watch me. Mash, somebody said, Mash is intelligent, but he's mad.
Oh, by the way, then catch me out, you know, neatly.
Wow. Yeah.
Oh, shucks. No, hold on. Let me say something. Yesterday, I was by Jay. And we bought some weed and them things. And we chatting and said, Jay, remember we always call me and them things. And Jay was so comfy. He said, Mash, what me always say? He said, Jay, you know that I find peace. You know that, because I always fight for freedom. But freedom and peace is 2 different things. And it's only for my son to show me that. And I'm a man of mathematics. When he said that, I was like, what the hell? He says,
freedom is not peace.
No.
You get where if you escape, but you're not at peace.
It's not peace.
So you have one man and you run in front of him.
No.
That means you're free. Because you escape.
Yeah.
But you're not at peace.
Peace.
So it's 2 different things. I'm okay right there. That's correct.
Yeah, me and my son was talking mathematically and I told him to elaborate. And when he showed me the madness, like I don't have a coin. Hold on, let me show you. Let it understand. Like you see this coin here? You might think.
They might hear a man talk.
Yeah, you might think the both sides of this coin is the same. And I thought that because this one coin is the same thing. So if you get one, you get the other. But I forget about the in between.
But Mash, I wouldn't think this kind of the same thing because it's two different things. So that's why you say me not understand. Talk it back.
No. You see, like you get £1 coin.
Yes.
You know it's a pound.
Yes, it
so
is.
If
£1.
you get the queen head one side, you get the other side one
yes,
side.
so that's two sides.
Yeah.
But them not check that side yet.
Side.
All right. You never hear my say my bread butter for all side up on the rim.
All
We're
right.
going to find that one there and meme it. When I say my bread butter all side up on the rim.
Right.
Because some people, butter just yes upon the rim of the bread me butter too. Yeah, so that's basically that yes mash.
Yes. You know. And by the way, you see when you concern peace and freedom is two different
Mash,
things.
leave me alone. I'm here already, Mash. Don't do not my life. Don't teeth my life in front of my face, Mash.
Yo, lady. What day is it?
Today's Wednesday. I start by my girl power eating.
Yeah, but what other day is it? Tell me another day that it is.
A 2 day now one?
No.
So you mean by tell you another day it is?
In the United Kingdom on a Wednesday, they says to do with cancer resource that you wake
Mash, I don't want to hear about cancer. I don't have a clue.
No, I mean like what they think.
Mash, I do not know, and I'm not interested. Yeah? Thank you. Them say if it's a pound again, I'm like your accent, pound, say pound. Pound kind, say.
I'm not take program. Bye-bye.
Mash, who this one come talk to me? A girl party, say I idiot. A girl party not just sit down and talk about girls, girl. Girl to power talk about empowering lady. So me and Masha empowering. Giving a vibes. It's not about to talk about depressing things about me. No, you're not about nobody problem. Fuck off.
I find fucking peace, you know that. And if I'm at peace, the world shall be at peace. The world shall be at peace. Now we have an Indian.
Mash going, man. You bet the people them are going, man.
The people them are
going.
going.
Them say answer, man.
Thank you. Who said pretty girl? Nice. Looking up nice. You know that. Even though you look like a what you call it again, baldness.
Oh me, I don't know no come. Admit.
The Indian I do Obia.
Oh man, shut up with this stupid over something much. My better than over. Me I got trampled that.
Yeah, trampled that. That's part of the fun.
Queenie.
What?
So Queenie, I said, do we stop you from going live with me, man?
I will tell you so.
Because I try and send in the request all the time and he's saying that the request ain't going.
Not doing that interfere with my life. Unless him hear somebody have tried pass them. Yes,
come on, you're the queen. So,
I for sure my royal crazy them, so I know that. What go you not dance tonight?
I just chilling, man. I still like talk with the queen. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So
Okay,
going on.
Selena, Slick, Lena. What not talk about? Tell your fella the girl who did not talk about. What my only my friend have. So what my friend we say you cool off.
What you doing, man?
Don't move up on my right. 1 minute. How will you name?
Yeah, man.
We never remember nobody's name.
Maldo, the guy.
I not hear nothing from them now. No. Two of them ever not say nothing.
Mr. Maldo.
Pardon?
What you say? I pray.
Why pre? You tell me why pre.
I chop in son.
May I pre the girl power? Where you pre?
Queenie, big up yourself, queen girl. Hot girl.
Hold on.
Hello, darling. Big up yourself, darling.
Hey, what?
My dear darling,
Oh,
what
me,
go on with you?
me love you as a woman, you know. Me love you as a woman.
Thank you,
and
that.
anybody named Dwayne and I know good somebody.
Okay.
Come here, one year old to kill me too.
I like.
Yes.
You have one do it too.
You know, they're no good.
So you know I got so tell the lady.
Yeah.
Yo, my girl, let me tell you something. Get the fuck
Yeah,
phone and talk
anybody.
about Dewey, yeah? Look, if you get your Dewey is different to our Dewey, yeah? And my Dewey is protected by me. So just get
Mash, give me my phone, Mash.
along with them people them that try this bad man, you know that.
Mash, shut
Go
up.
do it.
Coming at all, but you get Dewey and not doing a good. You're doing a good, so suck yourself and come off, man.
No,
Yeah?
doing no
I
good.
protect my own.
No, doing no good.
I
Go do
protect
it.
my
Who
own.
found
I don't
anybody
give a
name do it?
fuck. Let me tell you something. Anything the gangster is
I found
protected is
anybody
being
name
protected.
do it.
My
Fire
girl, how
upon
you hang
them.
up the phone? Jay, how do you do this thing, Jay? How do you do
Mash,
it?
give me
How
my
do you
phone.
do it? Jay, more hang with the whole life, you know that?
Mash, calm down. It's just a commercial, baby.
No, in the commercial. Let's come out
Mash,
coming in this, but you fucking do it. Keep the fucking stinking do it.
Mash, done.
Yo, let the people in this humble them. They don't
Mash,
irritate me. Let me just go in the kitchen and build my split and chill myself
Mash.
before I lose my fucking temper. I just come off, you know that. You all that. I'm just go chill my fucking head. So come now. Shut shit in my fucking head. Come in and antagonize me, you know. What the fuck myself.
Father God, come help me pack up the something for a wedding or a room. Why? My new dress. Why, Queenie? I'm a Queenie live alone. Ooh. Mash, Jesus, mash your drink more. Jesus Christ, mash beer. Why, Queenie? Hey, this is a good party. Why? Where's somebody when it said? Why? So, please stop laughing. Somebody ever laugh, please. Why? My pussy ass class. Queenie, box yourself up, behave yourself, oh man. Behave your fucking self. I'll stop laugh. Stop it. You hear me? What? No, let me drink the coke. Jesus. No, hey, where's somebody with the type? Say a girl power. Type it back again. Nah, I can see. Wait. You mash mouth. That shit was funny, fam. But stop laughing now. Nobody type lady. We're gonna stop at the girl power now. No, I'm stop. I'm stop, man. I God. No, without lie. Laugh prices. You can't go shop go buy a laugh. No matter on you can't tell me nothing. If it happen, I'm call you. No matter how rich on is, on you can't go shop. Go buy that laugh here when I just get. This have to be natural. Uncle Mash could I give it a laugh here like that.